Tim Biggam of Delta Derivatives joins us now for the Trader Rundown. And Tim, taking a look at this market, are you feeling like things are becoming too frothy here?
Yeah, a little bit too hot to handle given that kind of move up we've seen since the beginning of the year. Really haven't had a meaningful pullback. You know, earnings season going to start here in about a week or so in full force. Last quarter, all of the gains pretty much predicated on what's called a multiple expansion, really not earnings based, but the fact people willing to pay more for stocks. So the price action here lately, we're finally seeing a little bit of a pushback here. So I'm taking a little bit off the table here, buying some puts, trimming out of some gains as well.
What about the banks? The banks report at the end of the week. Any thoughts there?
I think these will be probably one of the most important sectors for this whole quarter, given the fact these have gotten beaten down the most on that yield curve kind of overreaction. They pop back up here, so I think they're going to be the ones who need the, lead the way higher here, given the fact some of these tech stocks have really become stretched on both a technical and fundamental basis.
Right. Are there tech stocks that you would maybe start to sell here?
Absolutely. One is Microsoft, which sneakily now is the second biggest market cap stock in the U.S., pushing Apple for number one, approaching that $1 trillion level, which has kind of been a kiss of death in the past for both Apple and Amazon. So I'm just doing the simple what's called put diagonal, buying next week's at the money put, selling this week's slightly out of the money puts, just looking for a low pullback in Microsoft. That 120 level on the chart really looks like major resistance.
And Wynn Casino's also on your list today.
Yeah, Wynn was one that has been red hot since it really got destroyed on those China fears. I think it got oversold on the way down. I think it's getting a little bit overbought on the way up here. I think China will be okay, but Wynn is priced for China to come out big time. So given the fact that stock's approaching resistance at 150, here I'm selling out of the money call spreads to be a seller on a further rally on Wynn and other casino stocks.
Always good to have you here. Thank you, Tim.
You bet, Ange.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.